Hi there, I'm Ryan Pierce. I am a limbo champion. I can go as low as you can go. I know Russian Kovacsok dancing. That's kind of a different one. I would definitely have the superpower to control time, just because if you think about it, it's almost every power. If you stop time, then you have super speed. If you rewind time, you can fix any mistake, and if you go forward into the future, you can rule the world. The entire point of life is just living life to its fullest. You just have to be happy with what you have. I mean, whether or not you become a famous big shot or if you're a janitor at elementary school, if you're happy with what you do, then you're going to be happy till the day you die. No matter what happens, you are who you are. I mean, if you're not happy with yourself, then you're not going to be happy with your life. The biggest lesson in life is to not let it go to waste. Too many people spend every day just watching TV or waiting for something to happen instead of going outside and doing it. Thank you, I'm Ryan Pierce.